RotaCloud's time and attendance package gives you access to timesheets, which can then be used to run payroll reports. You can access this via your Attendance tab. Once you're happy with your employees' timesheets, you can lock them by clicking this padlock icon here. This is an optional step, but we would recommend locking timesheets as it stops any changes being made after you run payroll. Should you need to, you can unlock again at any time. Click Go to Payroll at the top of your page to access your payroll section. Here, you'll see a summary of your payroll for each employee and can make manual adjustments if you like. When you're ready, you can click Finalize Payroll to lock the data and pay rates in your account. Again, this is optional, but we would recommend it to make sure your data is stored. To download your payroll reports, click the downwards arrow icon in the top right here. Select the report you'd like, and a CSV will be downloaded ready for you to send to your accounts team or payroll provider. For more information about what payroll reports are available, check out our help articles at help.rotacloud.com.